I'm Connor with Honor. We'll be back tomorrow. We have our Friday's update show. We're going to be talking about open houses in Santa Clarita Valley. I'll give my clients that information. When you're ready, reach out to me. And of course, you'll find me online, connorwithhonor.com. Be well, everybody. Please check out your neighbors. Please make sure that these are places that you want to live. Before you start spending the money on your inspections, the home inspector and appraisal, it's really good to at least vet the area the best you can before going in. And finally, I'll throw out this. Before I close out the show, a local phone call to law enforcement. If the area is controlled by their own police agency, great. If the area is controlled by sheriffs because the city leases out to them or pays for their security, great. Call them up and find out who is in charge of crimes, different types of crimes. Now, more than likely, we're going to be looking for property crime stuff. What's going on? And maybe is there a crazy person living nearby? That's not bad to find out as well. And that would be via a special location. I was LAPD for a long time, so they'll have a lot of logged trips to a particular